So in our last session we learned how to pass a journal entry, right? Now in this session we will be learning how to post a journal entry in a particular ledger account. Okay, so posting a journal entry is nothing but giving an effect of a journal entry in the ledger account. Ledger account is a summary of all transactions related to that specific ledger account. Because from journal entry we don't understand what is a SBI bank account balance, what is a balance in the A1 capital account. Okay, so let's see the format of the ledger account. If you see, the format is on the left side you have debit, date, particular, voucher number, amount, and on the right side you have credit, date, particular, voucher number, amount. Okay, so whenever a particular account is debited, the effect of same is given on the left hand side, and whenever a particular account is credited, the effect of the same is given on the right hand side. So this is how we will be posting the journal entries in each and every ledger account. Now let's see what are the list of the ledger account that we will be required to make. Okay, so entry number 4, SBI bank account, we have to make one. Then we have to make A1's capital account. Then entry number 5, we have to make one cash account. Then entry number 6, we have to make one deposit with Rakesh account. Then entry number 7, both grinding machine account and GW private limited account. Then entry number 8, purchase of goods account. Then entry number 9, purchase of packing materials account. Entry number 10, ABC private limited account and sale of goods account. Entry number 11, purchase of goods account, and then Shobna traders account we have to make. Then entry number 12, so we already listed cash account, sale of goods account, need not list it again. Entry number 13 also we have SBI bank account and cash account. Entry number 14 also we have both the accounts listed. Entry number 15 also we have SBI bank account and ABC limited account. Entry number 16, yes, again we have both the accounts we already listed. Then next 17 there is no entry. 18 again we have both the accounts, cash account, SBI account. 19 we need to make loan from Vijaya bank account. Okay, then 20 we have to make salary account. Then 21, let's see the entry number 21, just a minute. Entry number 21, okay, entry number 21 we have to make one rent account. Entry number 22, maintenance charges account. That's it. So here I have made all the ledger account, list of all the ledger account. You can go through it. Okay, you can see DR and CR I have written. So DR is for debit and CR is for credit. It's a short form. Okay, one more thing you can see, SBI bank account and cash in hand account, the length of both the accounts is little more as compared to other ledger account, because number of transactions affecting SBI bank account and cash in account and account is more. So you have to take that care while preparing the ledger account. Okay, there should be enough space for all the journal entries, right? So, and above I have written in the books of, so in the books of you have to write company's name. Now let's go to the journal entries. Journal entry number 1, there is no entry. Journal entry number 2, there is no entry. Journal entry number 3, there is no entry. Okay, so now we will see entry number 4, SBI bank account debit to A1 capital account. Okay, and the date is 2/11/2016. Now SBI bank account is debited here and A1's capital account is credited. So we will post this entry in these two accounts. Okay, so SBI bank account debit. So on the debit side of SBI bank account, I'll put it. Date is 2/11/2016. So 2/11/2016. 2 is capital account. Voucher number is 4. Amount is 4 lakh. Okay. The second effect I'll be giving it in A1's capital account. Okay, since A1 capital account is credited. So let's go to A1 capital account. On the credit side, that is right hand side, we'll write the entry. Okay, date of entry is 2/11/2016. By, for debit entries we have to write by. Okay, beginning it with by. So whenever you are debiting a particular account in the ledger, you have to write by. So by SBI. Okay, by SBI account. Bank account. Voucher number is what? 4. Amount is 4 lakh. Okay, now let's move on to the next entry. Okay, entry number 5. 2nd 11/16 cash account to A1 capital account. We'll go to the cash account. Okay, cash in hand and cash account is same. Okay, so cash in hand 2/11/2016 to A1's capital account. Okay, voucher number is 5. Amount is 1 lakh. Second effect in A1's capital account. Okay, on the credit side, because we have credited A1's capital account. So on credit side we'll write date 2/11/16 by cash account, transaction number 5, amount is 1 lakh. Okay, now the next entry is deposit with Rakesh account debit to SBI bank account. Entry number 6, and amount is rupees 50,000. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll post this entry in deposit with Rakesh account. First you give debit effect, then you give credit effect. Do it systematically so that you don't mess up. Okay, 3/11/2016 is the date of transaction. 3/11/2016 to SBI bank account. Okay, and what is the voucher number and amount? Amount is 50,000. Voucher number is 6. Okay, then next effect in SBI bank account on credit side. Date is 3/1/16. By deposit with Rakesh account. Okay, and voucher number is, amount is 50,000. Voucher number we'll see 6. Okay, now next entry. Entry number 7, grinding machine account debit to GW private limited account, and amount is 1,20,000. So we will go to grinding machine account. Okay, grinding machine account debit to GW private limited account. Okay, the date of transaction is grinding machine on the debit side 4/11/2016 is the date of transaction. So 4/11/2016 to GW Private Limited account. Okay, and what is the amount? 1,20,000. Transaction number 7, amount is 1,20,000. Now GW Private Limited account is credited. So on credit side of GW Private Limited, entry will be, the posting will be 4/11/2016 by grinding machine account voucher number is 7, amount is 1,20,000. Okay, now we'll go to the next entry number 8. Okay, purchase of goods account debit to SBI bank account. Let's go. Purchase of goods account debit. So on the debit side, a purchase of 4/11/2016 4/11/2016 to SBI bank account. Okay, what is the voucher number? Voucher number is 8. Okay, and how much is the amount? 8,000. Now the second effect will be on SBI bank account credit side. So on SBI bank account credit side, we'll put by purchase of goods account, amount voucher number is 8 and amount is 8,000. Okay, now we'll go to the next entry, that is entry number 9. Purchase of packing materials account debit to cash account, amount is 1,000. Okay, let's search purchase of packing materials account. Okay, purchase of packing materials account. So purchase of packing materials account debit side, we'll write 5/11/2016 is a date. Okay, to cash 5/11/2016 to cash account, and the amount voucher number is 9, amount is 1,000. Second effect, we'll give it to cash account, cash in hand account. Okay, cash in hand account 5/11/2016 by purchase of packing materials account. Okay, and voucher number is 9, amount is 1,000. Okay, now the next entry, that is entry number 10. ABC Private Limited account debit to sale of goods account, amount is 4,500. So we'll go to ABC Private Limited account. Okay, ABC Private Limited account is debited, so you put it as 7/11/2016 is the date of transaction, 7/11/2016 to sale of goods account, and the amount is 4,500. Voucher number is 10. The second effect will give to sale of goods account. Okay, so date is 7/11/2016, amount is by ABC Private Limited account, voucher number 10, amount is 4,500. Okay, next is transaction number 11. Purchase of goods account to Shobna Traders account. Okay, amount is 10,000, entry number 11. So let's go to purchase of goods account. Yeah, Purchase of goods account. What is the date of transaction? 8/11/2016. 8/11/2016 to Shobana traders account, and voucher number is 11, amount is 10,000. Second effect in Shobana traders account, on the credit side, okay, 8/11/2016 by purchase of goods account. 2016 by purchase of goods account. Voucher number is 11, amount is 10,000. Now the next entry, cash account debit to sale of goods account. Okay, so 9/11/2016 cash account will go first. Cash account, you have to write it on debit side. Okay, cash account debit. What is the entry date? 9/11/2016. 9/11/2016 to sale of goods account, 5,000. Okay, goods account, and the amount, transaction number is 12, amount is 5,000. Next effect in sale of goods account. Okay, sale of goods account, on the credit side we'll write what is the transaction date, 9/11/2016 by cash account, voucher number is 12, amount is 5,000. Okay, now the next entry number 13, SBI bank account to cash account, dated 10/11/2016. So we'll go to SBI bank account first. Okay, SBI bank account is debited, so SBI bank account 10/11/2016 to cash 3,000. 11/2016 to cash account, entry number is 13, 3,000. Second effect in the cash in hand. Okay, so this is a contra entry. When bank and cash are affected, you know what the entry is called, contra entry, right? Now cash account on credit side will give the effect. Okay, the date is 10/11/2016 by SBI bank account, voucher number is 13, amount is 3,000. Okay, next entry 12/11/2016, Messrs Shobana traders account debit to SBI bank account. Okay, amount is 10,000. Shobana traders account debit, so we'll go to Shobana traders account, debit side. Okay, 12/11/2016 is the date, to SBI bank account. 2016 to SBI bank account, and then voucher number is 14, amount is 10,000. Okay, next effect to SBI bank account, so we'll go back to SBI bank account. SBI bank account is credited, right? So on the credit side of SBI bank account, 12/11/2016 by Shobana traders account. Okay, transaction number is 14, amount is 10,000. Next entry is SBI bank account debit to ABC limited account. Okay, transaction number is 15, amount is 4500, and the date is 13 November 2016. So SBI bank account is debited 13/11/2016 to ABC private limited account. Okay, what is the amount? 4500, voucher number is 15. Now we give the second effect on the credit side of ABC private limited account. Let's search for ABC private limited account. Yeah, ABC private limited account. So date is 13/11/2016 by SBI bank account. Voucher number is 15, amount is 4500. Okay, next, GW private limited account debit to SBI bank account, and amount is how much? 60,000. Okay, so let's go to GW private limited account. Where is it? GW private, yeah, here it is. GW private limited account debit. Okay, so what date is 15/11/2016 to SBI bank account. Voucher number is 16, amount is 60,000. Okay, now let's give a second effect of it in SBI bank account credit side by, let's see the entry date. Entry date is 15/11/2016 by GW private limited. Voucher number is 16, amount is 60,000. Okay, transaction number 17, there is no entry, so no effect. Transaction number 18, cash account debit to SBI bank account, amount is 10,000. So cash account is debited. First effect, we will give it to cash account. So cash account debit. So on debit side we'll write to SBI bank account. Okay, and the voucher number is 18, amount is 10,000. The second effect we will give it on credit side of SBI bank account. Credit side, the date of transaction is what? 20/11/2016. 11/2016 by cash account. That voucher number is 18 and amount is 10,000. Okay, next, SBI bank account debit to loan from Vijaya bank account. Okay, and amount is how much? 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so date of transaction is 25/11/2016. Let's go to SBI bank account 25/11 to loan from Vijaya bank account. Okay, what is the transaction number? Transaction number is 19, amount is rupees 5 lakh. So 19, amount is 5 lakh. Second effect in loan from Vijaya bank account. Loan from Vijaya bank account. Where is loan from Vijaya bank account? Where is it? So loan from Vijaya bank account is credited. So on credit side we'll put it as 25/11/16 by SBI bank account. Voucher number is 19, amount is 5 lakhs. Next is entry number 20. Okay, salary account debit to SBI bank account. Amount is 10,000. So salary account debit. So on debit side of salary account, we'll put the transaction or post the entry 30/11/2016 to SBI bank account. Voucher number is 20, right? 20 and the amount is 10,000. Okay, and the second effect we will give it in SBI bank account. Okay, so SBI bank account, what is the date of transaction? Date of transaction is 30/11. So on credit side we'll write by salary account, transaction number is 20, amount is 10,000. Okay, now the next entry, that is entry number 21, rent account debit to SBI account. Okay, so rent account, let's go to the rent account. Rent account debit. Okay, so put it as the date is 30/11 to SBI bank account, transaction number is 21, amount is 7,000. Now this second effect we will be giving it in SBI bank account credit side. Date is 30/11/2016. Okay, date is 30/11/2016 by rent account and transaction number is 21, amount is 7,000. Okay, now the next entry number 22, maintenance charges account to bank account. Okay, so let's go to maintenance charges. 30/11/16 to cash account. Maintenance charges we have paid it in cash. Voucher number 22, 1,000. The second effect in the credit side of cash account. Okay, cash account. (30/11/2016) by maintenance charges account. Okay. Voucher number is 22, amount is 1,000. So we have posted all the journal entries. In next session we will be learning how to balance each and every ledger account, that is how to how to calculate the closing balance, opening balance of each and every ledger account. Okay, so the steps are simple, only thing is you have to be little careful. Okay, what are the errors that you can do is you can post the entry in some different account, or debit account you will credit account you will debit. So step by step you follow and step by step you go, that will help you. Okay, for example, first you take a debit entry, see the account which has to be debited, and then you take a credit entry. That way it will help. Okay, so that's all in this session. Now in next session we'll see the balancing of the ledgers. Okay, thank you.